So yes, the main aim of this video is making decimals easy to work with. So here we have the place value chart for decimals, and as you can see, the decimal point is separating the whole number part and the fractional part. Then we go for the addition of like decimals. As you can see, there are three steps highlighted here. First, like decimal. What do you mean by like decimal? The number of digits after the point are going to be the same. So once that is done, you need to line up the numbers as per the decimal point. Once that is done, go to step 2, which is nothing but adding as usual. And the third step, very important, we need to add the decimal point. So addition of unlike decimal. Now when we say unlike decimal is nothing but we do not have the same number of digits after the decimal point. So as the first step is always first arranging the decimal numbers as per the decimal point. Step 2 is an additional part of adding zeros. Why are we doing this? To make it like decimal. The third step remains the same, which is nothing but adding, and then fourth step is ensuring to put the decimal point. Subtraction of like decimal, so this remains similar to addition of like decimal, except that here we are following subtraction. So first step, line up of decimal numbers, subtraction column wise, and then ensuring to put the decimal. Here again, in subtraction of unlike decimal, as I told you, very important. First we need to line up the decimal points and make the decimal numbers like decimal. How do we do that? By adding zeros. Okay, and once that is done, we are following the same process of subtraction, and the final step, that is step 4, is adding the decimal point. This is the most important part here. Here towards the left, if you see, we are talking about lineup of decimals as the first step, right, in the previous part as we saw. So it's very important to ensure that 12.5, so below 12.5 we have to ensure that it is 6, because 6 is the digit that is coming before the decimal point, right? So once we do this, you will be ensured to get the right decimal placement and correct addition can be done. However, towards the right side, if we see, we have not placed 6 below 2. We have just placed it just below 12.5 without considering the decimal point, which is completely wrong. So always ensure that the decimal point should be below decimal point itself, and the digits after the decimal point should be matching. That is, the tens place, the ones place should be aligned correctly as discussed in the first slide, that was the place value chart. That's all for today. Thank you.